Introduction to the interface of TSSD for AUTOCAD software. TSSD is a large-scale tool-based structural design software developed as a secondary development based on the AUTOCAD platform. Its interface is designed with full consideration of users' usage habits and drawing requirements. The following is an introduction to the TSSD for AUTOCAD software interface. This area is the drop-down menu for one of the core functional areas of TSSD software. Providing a rich set of commands and tools, you can click to use the drawing function. You can view the TSSD software manual in the Help module. License management is also located in the Help module. The right side is the screen menu. You can click to use the drawing function. Clicking the first row of the screen menu can adjust the font size. If the text is not fully displayed, you can drag the screen menu to adjust its size. In the Tool module of the drop-down menu, you can manage the opening and closing of the screen menu. The icon on the left of the screen menu can also be clicked to jump to the drawing function interface. These are the three ways to open the drawing function interface. Below the drawing area is the shortcut toolbar. In the Initial Setup System module, you can select whether to display the shortcut toolbar. This is the end of the introduction of the software function interface. Thank you again for your attention and support. We look forward to your full experience of the powerful functions of the software in practical application. Thanks for watching. Best for all Explorer software.